This is not the first time that I'm meeting with Mr. President, but I'm here today because since my movement to the ruling party, I have not met with Mr. President, so I decided to come and see him and discuss some strategic issues that concern the security, that concern the welfare of the people of Taraba State and also Nigeria as a whole. And it was a very meaningful discussion. And this is what we keep doing from time to time to strengthen the relationship between the subnational and the federal government. Well, Taraba State has always been the president's state. The president is very happy with what we are doing. And I think he has very strong interest in the progress of the people of Taraba State. You know, Taraba State, we have a lot of natural resources. We have a very large portion of arable land for farming and the rest. And you know, agriculture is one of the very strong drive for Mr. President, and Taraba State is one of those states that are on the landline. Well, you know where I'm coming from. You know my background in the military, very strategic intelligence. And we don't just do things just like that. We have done all our mapping, our planning, and I'm on ground, and I have the people. The people have me, and I've always told them I have no business being in government than for them. So I have already won the mind of the locals, my people, and I don't think delivering Mr. President and myself will be a difficult job. Taraba is for him, and he's going to win Taraba 100%. Well, I want to assure you that now the yield from farming, in terms of mechanized farming in Taraba, has increased tremendously. We have imported a lot of tractors on ground, and people are using those tractors to farm. So we're making progress. What we need to move is to the next level where we have processing plants to process those crops within the state. So in the nearest future, you'll see that in action. Well, everything is ordained. God has the final say. There's a purpose for everything. Nothing just happened. So at this time, it symbolizes unity. It symbolizes that at this time, everybody have to be praying. Everybody have to get close to God. So I think it's not a coincidence. It's divine. So we're going to see the result after our prayers and fasting. Well, I will assure you that Taraba is one of the most secure states in the north. And before I came in to this position, it was very difficult to stay out at 4 p.m. And I know that we have some indigenes of Taraba State here with you, but now you can move freely in Taraba State. You can move without security in Taraba State. But you can't rule out some few areas where you have some skirmishes, you have some crime. You can't get it 100%, but I want to assure you that at least we have peace in Taraba, and crime has reduced tremendously in Taraba.
Thank you.